So are you thinking about buying a new construction home in Southwest Florida?
And you want it to be on or near a golf course, but without those heavy, mandatory golf course fees?
Guess what? We found one! We found a new construction community, and we're going to take you to it right now. Today we are here at the community called Terreno in Naples, Florida. These are DiVosta homes owned by the Pulte Group. Let's talk about the location really quick. If you've seen our other new construction videos, we are off of Oil Well Drive. That is right by Sky Sail and also Orange Blossom Ranch. Oil Well comes off of Immokalee Road, which runs east to west in North Naples, and it is a huge road in this area. We're about 30-40 minutes to the beach and about 40 to 50 minutes to downtown Old Naples, depending on the time of the year. These are all going to be single-family homes in this community. When it is all finished, there are going to be 685 homes on 320 acres. Also, as far as the golf course we were telling you about, it butts up to Valencia Golf and Country Club. Several of the holes run through the community. It is pay as you play, so there are no heavy mandatory golf membership fees. Here we are inside of the Design Center. What is awesome about this community and what the builder offers is personalization. There are so many choices. We just wanted to go through real quick to show you what your options could be for your dream home.
Just wanted to show you how many choices there are. Look at all these luxury vinyls, and then you've got the hardwood, and then you've got also the porcelain tiles that look like they're hardwood. This one, for example, is made in Italy. Look how beautiful that is, full porcelain tile, and looks like wood.
We've been inside other design centers. Here's the cabinets you can choose from. Usually, there's like this much. Here, all these, there's like more than 25 that you can choose from. I think they're all really beautiful. You got the dark colors, light colors, white colors. They just really want you to make it custom in what you want. Look at all the backsplash options. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Here's blue for Tamara. This is what she would love. And over here, all the different rug options, shower tile options, and lots of options for the floor of your shower. Look at that. How could you even figure it out? Sounds like it would be a lot of work, but really fun.
What's also nice is that you can have different faucets in different bathrooms. So if you wanted to do something different in your main bathroom to the other 2 guest bathrooms, you can do that easily.
And even before you decide to buy here, you can come in. They have a browse day on Wednesdays where this design room is open for a few hours, and you can just take a look and see if this is something that you would want to invest in. Now that we've showed you the design center, let's take you through the 4 model homes that are on site.
So this is the contour model. There's a range in square feet. Because the Pulte Group allows one to actually personalize their space, like you can make your lanai bigger or smaller, and there's certain things you can do to move a space around. There is a range of square feet. This is 1,405 square feet to 1,561 square feet. That's under air. This is the smallest home within the different series, and this feels like a good home for a snowbird who doesn't want to be here full time, doesn't want to worry about maintaining a larger home. The contour model is a 1-story home with 2 bedrooms and a den, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. It also has a fully screened-in lanai. Before we take you to the second model, which is the Mystique, we just want to mention the price ranges here at Terreno. They go from, at the moment, we're in the 3rd quarter of 2023, they go from the low 500s, around $530,000, to about $1.25 million. So I know that's a very big range, but there is so much personalization that is allowed through the Pulte Group and these DiVosta homes. So there's a very wide range depending on size and all the options that you pick. The Mystique model is a 1-story home as well. It has between 2 and 4 bedrooms, depending on what you choose, between 2 and 3 bathrooms, also depending on your choice, and an oversized 2-car garage. The square footage for the living space is between 1,889 square feet and 2,258 square feet, depending on your choice of layout. This model is shown with an L-shaped lanai and a swimming pool.
Let's just talk about customization real quick. We've been talking about how you can personalize the home. So there's a den here. You can always decide to turn it into another bedroom. And also in the living room, as you can see, there's tray ceilings and this paneling. It just all depends on what you like. You get to choose. In the main bedroom, this is really neat how they did the brick look back here. You know, you only usually see that in like those really old buildings and old cities. So that's a neat idea that you could do. And last thing, in the main bathroom is all the built-ins that you can decide to get inside of your closets. It's summer afternoon. Can you hear the thunder? This is what it's like. So third model, Prestige. Let's head inside.
The Prestige model is also one story, 2 to 3 bedrooms depending on your choice, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. There is also a fully screened lanai, and this model home is also shown with a pool. The square footage on this home, the living area, is between 2,080 to 2,257 square feet under air. Like Emily was saying earlier, she loved the dark cabinets and then the white countertops. So you can see it just makes a lovely contrast. And interesting, there's a Whirlpool appliance in here, and there was KitchenAid in the previous one. So they obviously give you options of what appliances you can pick. Just real quick, I wanted to point out this wall paneling. This is continuous paneling across the whole wall. And it also goes into the tray ceiling as well, whereas the other home had the feature of just the one section of paneling. So it really varies depending on your style. I'm in the main bedroom closet, and I just love this little door. First I didn't know what it was. It takes you right into the laundry room, so you can just grab your clothes and throw them straight into the laundry room. Isn't that amazing?
We're here at the last model. It is called the Stellar, and we're starting inside because it is raining, lightning, and thundering outside. And that's what's really cool about Florida, I think, in the middle of the summer is look outside. It kind of feels like wintertime in the middle of the day, even though the weather's actually really nice. It drops like 10 degrees. There's a wind. So I really appreciate that part of the day in the summertime. So this is going to be one of the more expensive homes, and it's a little bigger. So this one is 3 bedrooms plus a flex room, 3 bathrooms, and 2.5 to 3-car garage. So right off from the entrance of the house is the den flex room. So this house is about 2,500 square feet. Of course, you have the option if you want to turn this into another bedroom, you can do that. And if you come down this hallway, more built-ins, woohoo! This actually wraps around quite a ways. Here's a full bathroom through here, and you keep coming down into a large bedroom.
Off from the flex room and guest bedroom is this fully open area here, open concept, really huge kitchen, really lovely pantry, and enormous kitchen island. So I know that kids always love to sit at kitchen islands and eat their dinner there, so you have that option. And then you also have this bar area over here with a wine cooler as well. And then some interesting details. You've got wooden ceiling beams, and this paneling with embedded mirrors inside of it.
Coming now down from the living room, you head this way to my left. Here's the garage, and there's even a little seating area. You can take your shoes off and hang up your jackets. And then the laundry room is right through here. Sink, that's nice, and cabinet space. And as you continue down through the hall, there's the next full bathroom and the last guest bedroom through here.
This is a really fun idea. You've got paper here you can make your notes on or your goals for the week, and then when you're done with the week, you just tear it off and you pull the paper down and you get a new sheet. Everyone loves to see the main bedroom and how big it is. This one is a decent size. It's got the wooden beam. Just remember, all of these are customizable options. You're not necessarily going to choose them for your home. So there's a butler door here that takes you into the bathroom. Come and have a look. Quite a large walk-in shower with these 2 windows. Look at this bathroom vanity countertop. I think it's so beautiful, so classy. At the end of the bathroom here is a built-in linen closet. It's also been customized with the smaller, more narrower shelves. And then you've got the hidden toilet. Always best to have it behind the door. And the last thing in here is the dressing room. Huge walk-in closet dressing room.
And the last thing to mention is this really awesome pool area with the spa and plenty of room to hang out and entertain your friends.
Before we get into the last home that we just want to show you real quick, it's an inventory home currently on the market for just over 1.2 million. Before we do that, we want to just talk about the amenities. They aren't built yet. They're going to be fully built only probably in the first quarter of 2025, maybe a tiny bit sooner, but they are going to be quite spectacular. There's going to be a 15,000 square foot clubhouse. There's going to be a resort pool with a separate section with long lap lanes within it, and fire pits, seating area, all of that, and also a poolside bar and restaurant, which is really lovely. From what they described, it's kind of given me the vibes of like the amenities at Valencia Trails. So if you haven't watched that video, although that is a 55 plus active community, but if you're interested in that, watch the video after this one. Also, just to mention, they're only now in phase 2, not sure exactly how many phases they're going to have, but this is quite early stages. So as mentioned earlier, there's going to be 685 homes here in Terreno, and they've only sold like around 110 homes so far. So you're still getting in quite early here, and there are going to be such great amenities and what I think is reasonable cost. And we're going to pop those costs up on the screen right now. We're going to have to do a part 2 to this video when the amenities have been built and come and show you how lovely they are when they are done.
We are now inside the inventory home that Tamara was telling you about. This is the exact same model as the one we were in, the Stellar, but it's been customized differently, and it's a little different. You can see the kitchen, it's different, the backsplash is different. They extended the living room out further here, and of course the whole house is like flipped. So everything's on the other side, you know, but there's a huge pool, and it's just ready to buy right now. Let's step out here and see the lovely views of the golf course. We think that this is an oversized pool for what we normally see in these models. And then out there where you can see, there's people still playing out in the rain. It's actually pretty funny. So if you're interested in this home, give us a call, or anything in Terreno Bay, or if you're thinking of moving to Southwest Florida, we are happy to help you find your dream home.